Now in step 13, we'll set up client billing, one of the most important parts of running your agency. You can charge clients either with one-time invoices or recurring subscriptions. But first, you need to connect your Stripe account. Go to CRM, Send Invoice, and you'll see a notice that you haven't completed onboarding yet. Click Verify now at the top. This takes you to Integrations, Stripe Setup. Click Start Verification, and you'll be redirected to Stripe. You can either create a brand new Stripe account or sign in with an existing one. Once logged in, you'll select a business, either your current business on Stripe, or create a new one. Complete the KYC process, submit your info, and once verified, you'll return to Lindo.ai with billing fully enabled. Now, you can send invoices and collect payments from your clients. For example, let's send an invoice for a website setup fee. Add a name for the invoice, like website setup, and write a short description, something like cost of developing the site from scratch. Enter the amount, say $1, and choose the currency, either CAD, USD, or your preferred one. Once you create and send the invoice, your client will receive a branded email with your agency name and a link to view and pay. You'll also get a confirmation email. Clients can open the invoice in their billing portal and pay instantly. But take note, by default, your invoices and billing pages will still show Lindo.ai branding.